I'm not drunk.
You want to just take him down the elevator?
I'm not drunk.
We can't take the stairs. We definitely can't take the stairs.
14 hours.
Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Why the f*** am I still dreaming this? 14 hours. What the f*** is your issue?
Jerry, relax.
No, I don't want to relax. What the f*** is your issue? My f*** wrist hurts. You.
Man,
Let's kill me. Ouch. Kill me.
Yeah.
With two officers escorting him in and the main arresting officer by his side, Jerry is brought inside an airport elevator. Seems like things are going okay. Well, until...
Hey! Okay. All right, now you're under arrest. All right. I got leg shackles. What is that? My man! Put him on the ground. Yeah, put him on the ground.
Yeah. All right, you go with me.
I'm going to switch it to one.
Jerry gets double restrained, and the crew makes it to the bottom floor for transport. Except Jerry doesn't make it easy for officers. He plays dead, or pretends he's asleep. Whatever he's doing, he's playing games with the officers.
Do you want them to meet you at HQ?
Front court. Come on, buddy.
Control.
Gary. Yes.
Here's one of the truck court Alpha for medical evaluation.
I'll get his legs. Yeah.
Making faces and about racking up felony charges, that's Jerry.
Truck court Alpha, we have officer, prisoner in custody.
He's like squinting.
He's breathing. It looks like he's pretending not to be conscious, but he's breathing over his eyes. Yeah, 10-15 for Batley.
He's not going to kill nobody else.
You're going to take it easy.
Where the truck court is he by the loading dock?
I don't want to relax. Because you're anyway. I didn't do anything.
Can you advise our
Jerry, it's over. Jerry, it's over, brother. You're making it worse.
Just walk inside the door.
Well, stop struggling.
I didn't do anything.
You kicked me, Jerry. That wasn't necessary.
Oh, you're a fucking...
Well, that's besides the point. Whether he is or he isn't, you're kicking him. You can come to me.
You need to man up.
We're 10.
I want to man up.
You're good.
Let me go.
Grab that. Yeah, Hammer. Yeah.
I got him.
Let me go.
Jerry, if you stop kicking us, we have no problem letting you go, but you're still...
It hurt anybody.
You just kicked me, bro. Come on.
If I hurt you, I kick
Yeah,
you.
we're just... Yeah, right there, Griff. Right there.
Let me go. Let me go. I hear you. I already heard you. Let me go.
Jerry, we're not letting you go.
I already heard you.
You're under arrest, buddy.
Shut the I already heard you. Let me go.
Medics arrive and indeed confirm Jerry is not dead, no, rather very much alive. His blood pressure and breathing checks out just fine. So it's time to get Jerry off the ground and into a squad car.
You're going to jail, Jerry.
Shut the
So we've decided. It's jail.
Are you going to walk or are we going to have to drag you out
you
here?
gotta get me up.
You'll walk?
I gotta get me up.
We can do that.
So here, lean over, get on your butt, and then you'll stand up from there. Lean over on your butt,
Cross your feet.
Okay.
Cross your feet.
and then you're going to get up from there.
I'm gonna get up from there.
One.
Oh, that hurts.
Cross
Well,
your
then
feet.
you're going to help us stand up then.
That hurts. That helps.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got to help us, though.
I'm trying. Jesus.
Thank you.
That doesn't help. That's short steps. Short steps. Short steps.
Go ahead. Take
Short steps.
You're fine.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Short steps. There we go. Animals. No, shorter steps. Shorter steps. There we go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Seems like Jerry gets back into the swing of things until he sees someone at the end of the hall that stops him in his tracks.
Who the f*** is?
That's a janitor.
No. No.
Jerry.
No.
All right, sit back down. Then. Sit down.
All right. I'll sit down.
Because he's not going.
I'm not going anywhere
Jerry,
with
get a
him.
car right over here.
I'm not going anywhere with him.
You're not going with him.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
No.
I'll go with you. Come on.
No.
I'm just holding the door. So how do we want to? Who wants to transport? I can transport. I just need your
I'm sitting down.
I can do my CRA, right? Even if it's against me, or no?
All
break it there. Oh, shit, my hands are...
Do you want to go with me? Yeah, I'll go with you. I'll go with you, Griff.
Let's wait for the two guys to be here. They can stand by in case of fights. I'll grab my car and bring it around.
No, we can't front cuff, Jerry. It's against policy.
Okay, well, I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him. You're going with us.
No, I don't care.
Okay, you're not going with
But you
him.
put it in front, I'll go with you.
It's against policy, Jerry. We can't put it in front.
I'll go with you. I'm not going with him.
You're not going with him, Jerry. You're going with us.
You know, I'm putting in front, I'll go with you.
It's not up to you anymore, buddy. We're done.
You, shut up.
No.
Shut the f up.
Okay, all right, whatever.
This is between him and me.
Well, you're going to jail, Jerry.
I will go to jail. I don't care.
Okay, then let's walk out the
I don't
door.
care, but I'm not going that way.
But that's where the car is, Jerry.
I don't care. I'm not going that way.
There's a ramp
I will go
on the
with
left.
you.
You're going with me.
I will go with you.
I'm taking you.
You take me, you uncomfortable.
We will. I'm gonna go get this car and pull it up here.
I'm taking you, Jerry.
No, shut up. I will go with you. That way? Another way?
There's only one way to go. The cars are down here.
Any way, I will go. Other way than that way.
There's no way we can go any other way.
No, there's other ways.
There is no other way.
There is other ways.
There is no other way.
Shut up. There's other ways.
Oh, Jerry.
After 3 minutes of what feels like a game of cat and mouse, Jerry, sans Tom, finally agrees to get up.
Jerry, ready? You gonna help us get you up? Ready? On your butt. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Perfect. We're gonna walk down the ramp on your left and go to the car.
And off Jerry goes, walking in the rain to the squad car, huffing and puffing along the way.